Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete your X account on your iPhone. So before deleting your X account, you may want to have a copy of your X activity. So this activity will include your posts, messages, your media, so basically everything. So let me show you how you can request and download that file. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left, and now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and now from the settings let's select your account section, go to download and archive of your data. Then you want to sign in to your X account, and after this X will prepare a large zip file for you which will include all that data. You'll be notified when the file will be ready to download. And now, how to delete your X account. So let's go back to your account section in your settings and select option deactivate your account. So on your screen you can see the information provided by X, and you want to go to bottom side of your bottom side of this deactivate your account page and press this red deactivate button. After this, you will have to enter your password to confirm that you really want to delete your X account, and after this your account will be deactivated. But if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after you deactivate your account will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. Again, after 30 days of no login activity, X will permanently delete your account and all the data associated with it. So that's basically how you can delete your X account using your iPhone, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.